Now we have a to the power of b minus b to the power of a is equal to 17. Find a and b. Please like this video because I'm going to show you something explicit that will help you. Just like this video and share this video as you watch. Alright? So when you have something like this, we are asked to find a and b given this in one equation. Yes, we are going to provide a solution to it. Do not forget to like the video and share. So what we are going to do is that, now we all know that this carries a natural power of 1. So we can express this as what? A to the power of b, alright, or to the power of 1 minus b to the power of a, or to the power of 1 is equal to 17, right? So what you are going to do next is that this one can be expressed as 2 over 2. Reason, I want to make a difference. I want to establish a difference of 2 squares. That is why I want to express 1 as 2 over 2. Please like this video. So what we are going to do is that this implies that we are going to have a to the power of b or to the power of 2 over 2. I hope you are seeing me clearly. Okay, so minus b to the power of a or to the power of 2 over 2 is equal to 17, right? So what we are going to do next is that you can bring out 1 over 2 from this 2 over 2 and multiply it by b. Bring out 1 over 2 from this 2 over 2 and multiply it by a. Alright, so this now becomes a to the power of b divided by 2, because if 1 over 2 is multiplied by b, you're going to have b over b over 2. So all this is raised to the power of 2, such that if you multiply this, if you bring out 1 over 2 and multiply this, you are getting 2 over 2, right? So this is minus, the same thing applicable to a. So this is b to the power of a over 2 to the power of 2 is equal to what? 17, right? So what we are going to do is that this is a to the power of b over a to the power of b over 2. This is b to the power of a over 2. So what we are going to do is that let's represent this with what? A variable. Let's represent this with a variable because they are not the same. So different variable must be represented, right? So this now becomes, you can say that let x be equal to a to the power of b over 2, and also y to be equal to this, b to the power of a over 2. Alright? So that we can fix this variable in this place to form a difference of 2 squares. So if you fix in these variables inside here, this now becomes x squared minus y squared, alright, is equal to 17, right? Now we all know that when you have something like this, this is a difference of 2 squares, and it can be expressed, this implies that it can be expressed as what? As x plus y multiplied by x minus y is equal to what? 17. Alright, so we are going to write 17 as 1 times 17. Alright, so we are going to have x plus y multiplied by x minus y is equal to 1 times 17. Okay, so that we can form a simultaneous equation. Now we are going to equate this to the bigger one and equate x minus y to the smaller one, because this carries a minus sign, so you cannot equate this minus sign to the bigger one, right? So you are going to equate the one of the plus sign to the bigger number or the bigger value, and also equate the one of minus to the smaller value, so that we can form equation 1 and equation 2. Do not forget to like and share this video. So this now becomes x plus y is equal to 17. You can call this equation 1. Alright, we are going to have x minus y is equal to 1. Call this what? Equation what? Equation 2. So what we are going to do is that let's solve this simultaneously by adding equation 1 to equation 2. Of course, x times x here will give you 2x. Okay, if you add this, this will cancel out and that has gone. So if you add 17 to 1, this now becomes what? 18. Of course, to find x, divide both sides by 2 and divide this side by 2. This cancel out this. This implies that the value of x here is what? Is 18 divided 2 is 9. So let's find the value of y since we have gotten our value of x. So now what we are going to have is that put in x as 9 into any of these equations. Let me pick equation 2. So x as 9, this now becomes 9 minus y is equal to 1. So we are going to have y is equal to 8. If you collect like them, this is what we are going to have, right? So we have our two solutions of x and y as x is equal to 9 and our y is equal to 8. So what we are going to do is that, remember we established a statement that this unknown that we have gotten here is equal to a particular something. So let's equate this to this and find what we are asked to. Remember, we are asked to find the value of a and b, not x and y, right? So what we are going to have there is that since x is equal to a to the power of b over 2, so we can see that since our x here is 9, so this is 9 equal to this. Alright, are you following me? So this now becomes a to the power of what? B over 2. Let's solve this. Now this 9 can be expressed as 3 power of 2 is equal to a to the power of b over 2. Let's multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2, which is the reciprocal of 1 over 2. Sorry, which is 2 over 1. So this now becomes 3 to the power of 2 times 2 over 1, right? Is equal to a to the power of b over 2 times 2 over 1. Alright, so that if you multiply this now becomes 3 to the power of 4 is equal to, these two cancel out these two, and left with a to the power of b. Alright, so let's keep this. Let's go back to the second equation. That is y is equal to b to the power of a over 2. Since our y here is 8, so this now becomes 8 is equal to b to the power of a over 2. The same thing applicable here. This can be written as 2 power of 3 is equal to 2 power of 3 is 8. Alright. Now this is b to the power of a over 2. Let's multiply both sides by 2 over 1. Right. So this now becomes 2. If you multiply this by 2, this now becomes 2 to the power of 6 is equal to y. If you multiply this by 2 over 1, so this will cancel out. This are left with b to the power of a. So remember that 6 can be expressed as 2 times 3. So you can write this as, let me write it here so that you can see it very well. Now this now becomes 2 to the power of 2 times 3, right, is equal to a or b to the power of a. Alright. Now 2 to the power of 2 here is 4. This now becomes 4 to the power of this 3. Okay, is equal to b to the power of a. Now just look at this. Remember we said that 3 to the power of 4 is equal to a to the power of what? B. Just compare this. Now look at this. Our a here is 3. Our b here is 4. Now look at the second equation. Our a here is b. Our a here, our 4 here is what is b. That's b is 4. And our a here is what is 3. So it is confirmed that, where can I write this solution? It is confirmed that our value of a is equal to 3. Alright, and our value of b is equal to what? Is 4. So these are the two solutions that can certify this amazing Olympiad math question. Do not forget to share this video. Please share this video and like this video for more math tips like this. Bye. Please subscribe.